You will be starting right now. She's not there. Good morning, guys. This is Jaya from Uxlivinglab, and we are today in London Business Show 2003. We came about in this exhibition to exhibit our products, which are online today, and I'll give you the link for the URL to check around and to navigate about the products. Uh, I've already given in the chat. You can go through the link as well. So I'm just presenting my screen for a while. Uh, in the meanwhile, I have two people with me, which is one of my teammates, Mr. Shakil and Miss Amina. They will be guide you how to navigate the products, how to make the things easier for the people, for your business, for the things of yours. So first, I'll give you a little bit of intro about our um website. So let me share my screen. Is my screen is audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the uxlivinglab.org where you find the different tabs where you know about our company, about us, what solutions we are giving. These are the different products which we were talking about. You can pick any if you want to buy, if you want to have knowledge about it, if you want a one-on discussion with it, we can go through it. You can as well shop it online as well. You have the options like Amazon, Shopify, Chrome extension, Play Store, Apple Store. You can have the experience with all these things, search and UX Living Labs, Samantha, content evaluator, campaigns, license compatibility, which is used in many of the companies where you can see what these things can be done in a one website. So you can do the website crawl itself, location, price indicator, and UX Living Lab platform. So this is how it's a website. You can go through it, try to understand what is that all about, try to understand what is this product is useful or not. I think, according to me, the product, the demonstration which these people are giving you, it would be a good experience because we'll make a short demonstration with the like cards, greeting cards, which we are making, which is uh, Christmas is around the corner. So, how is it easy that to make a Christmas card from this platform and you can share it to your relatives? So, you can contact us as well. So I will leave you um, to you these two guys. I hope you can do a very good job in this presentation. Amina, I think you and Shakila fab with these products. So please explain, please take the stage and you can start showing your products. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that wonderful introduction. Like she said, my name is Amina and I'm a team member, and we are all from Dower Living Lab, and we want to show you how to use this product of ours. Why keep something to ourselves that can be a lot of help to you? So that's why we're doing this. So we're going to go right into this. It promises to be as short as possible because we value your time. So I'm going to be presenting my screen now, and you will just through that um, get all the help you need. Okay, so if you can see my screen, could you just let me know?
Able to see the screen, Amina. I'm not able to see it.
Can
You need to share it again, Amina.
okay. Okay, 1 minute. Screen. The screen. Share. This is my screen. Can you see now?
No. Yes, it's loading, and we can see your screen now.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to be doing the short demonstration through this. First of all, she had talked about the website, which is uxlivinglab.org, and that's where I am right now. We can see the home that says, "Welcome to our place, welcome to our home." Then about us, where you can learn more about us. Then our solutions, that is what we offer. Shop, how can you get access to these products? Then experience us. This is like a page where you can access any of the products and just get to find out what it is for and if you would like to have them. Then contact us is how you can reach out to us. Then log in is how you can get in to join the company or our family. So let's quickly go into that. We want to we want to use one of these products and see how it will be of help to us. Just wait a bit. Just give me 1 minute. So right. Okay. Okay. Over here are a number of products that we have. Over here are a number of products that we have. Um, we have the DOA workflow AI, we have the digital queue, Wi-Fi QR code, and all that. If you come to this website, also, we would like to encourage you to get your systems, get your laptops, and whatever it is, so that while we're taking you through this process, you will be joining us, and it will make things easier for you to make you have more understanding. And as you follow through, you would get to learn more. And if you do that, you may want to now go through every other product or software solution we have over here. There are a number of them just for you. So, but we will be focusing mainly on Workflow AI, this product here. The intro says the way Workflow AI recommends process optimization for your task and manages it based on location and time. So let's learn more about that because we want to um, know what it is really about and show you a short process of that. So now this is the interface for it, and you can visit the website, you can buy plans. But before you buy plans, because I'm sure that after this you would want to get a plan. Who doesn't want optimization and seamless processes in their task? So we would want to experience this product first. What that means is we would want to learn what it is used for, how I can use it, how it can be of help to me. Give me 1 minute. Let me just fix this. Okay. So experience. Now, I am taking you directly to Workflow AI interface. This is a place, Workflow AI, where you would be able to carry out digital documentation of your files, your documents, whatever it is. You can edit documents, make documents, process documents, and get documents to be signed, to be edited, to be worked on. Whatever tasks you want to be carried on it, you can do it in Workflow AI. I'm going to show you how easy that is. Remember, We started from our solutions, and then we took you over to the interface of Workflow AI. Now we are on the interface of Workflow AI. This is what you will see when you open it. Welcome, guest, because you are a guest. Number one, template. Number two, documents. Number three, workflow. Number four, process. Number five, folder. Now, template is the first thing you do when you come into Workflow AI. So, over here, you have text, image, table, and more button. If you want to do a design for something, you open the design space. Design is the place where you carry out that design. As the case may be, files, where you make your files and your design and all that. So I have just quickly named that Christmas card. Remember, we want to try out the Christmas card. So over here, you have text, image, table, and more buttons. They are labeled, so it is very easy to understand. Over here, you have undo, redo, and the rest. It is as every other file document you have. So some of these things are, if you are familiar with some of these things in other softwares, they are doing just the same thing in this software too. So in order to save us some time, we'll just go right in. So if you want to do that, you will just quickly come here, drag your text box, or drag your text box, leave it over here. Let's name that Christmas card. Christmas card. Let's copy this and maybe increase the font a bit. Okay, so let's take the border off. This is very simple. You can do as much designs as you would want to. By the end of this, we're going to just show you some of the things that we have done so that you would understand. You can do as much designs as you want to, but we're trying to make this as simple as possible because we want to be as fast as possible. Okay, so let's get this Christmas tree in there. Okay, so we can just at the end add Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance quickly. Okay, so like I said before, you have editing tools here. You can do whatever it is that you want to do. You can add text color, you can add um, size, shape, however it is. See, look here, I just changed the color. Let me just bold in this a little bit so that we would proceed and just increase the size again. Okay, so you can do as much as you want to. Centralize that. Yes, I just centralized this, and then we'll take off the. Okay, so I think that's enough for this right now. Let's take off the border. Okay, so let's quickly save this and just wait a minute for that to save. And I just went back to check to see that you're all following me, and I see that you're following me. Well done. Okay, so I would quickly now go back to the other processes. Remember that we said we have 5 processes. Once you do that, you save your document, then you go back to document. You would see your most recently made documents over here. This is what I mean. This is the card we just made, Christmas card. And that's the first thing you're seeing here. So you don't need to stress yourself. You will just come over, you click on it, and then you rename the document. Give it some few seconds to open, and then you rename the document. That is all you may need to do. You can decide to give any other edit as much as you want. If you still want to, you can do it over here. Christmas card document. Okay, so give it 1 minute, it's still loading. You can decide to edit as much as you want over here. So when you're done with your template, there is looking right at you, your Christmas card. So you can edit as much as you want also in documents. By the time you're done with every other thing you want to do, it is fine. Then you can go over to saving again. Um, Once you save that, you would then go to making workflow. Now, what is workflow? I will quickly show you that. Workflow, I like to explain it quickly and in the most simple way as a vehicle that transfers your document to whomever you want to. So it is in workflow that you would make, who do I want to send this document to? I'm sure you must have thought of that. If you want to send it to a family or friend, then you know the friend's name, you know the family name. So workflow is what makes you to impute who you want to send it to, so that by the time you start your process, which is the last step here, you would be able to assess those people. Don't worry, when we start, you would understand. So let's just go over, you understand more clearly. Let's just go over to process. So what are we making? We're making a Christmas card. So we put that over there as the name. You want to send it to a family member, let's say a friend. Okay, let's use a friend. So maybe you can send this to so many friends. So let's use a friend so that you'll be able to send it to them. Um, view. Okay, let's leave that at view. I want them to see it, or you want them to edit it. Remember that you can use this for any kind of application. You can make a Christmas card, just like we're making. You can make it a letter. You can make a whatever it is you want to make, in your offices, in your institutions, in your companies. You can make any one of them. But this is because we're in the season of Christmas. So we're doing this so that you'll be able to show love to your friends and family. Isn't that great? Okay, so now again, you would see your most recently done document, and that's what we're saying here. And this is process. Process is the dots that connect everything. It is what makes everything work. I like to see it as the powerhouse, the engine house. This is where you make everything to work. This is where you put the document to work, put the template to work, and put the workflow to work. How do you do that? Follow me as I take you through that. First of all, you would select the document. You come over here, you add the selected document, and then you come over to your workflow. You pick the Christmas card you have just made, as easy as as easy as you can see, as easy as I'm saying it. You select the workflow document, and then you wait for a few seconds for it to pop up. It will show you when it's done. You can see the pen right in there to show you that it's processing. It doesn't want to leave you without information. So also, if you're watching this and you're having any questions, you can write them down, take notes, so that by the time it's time for questions, you can quickly ask us and we'll be right here for you, right here to answer your questions.
So, sorry, Amina, can I send this card to the other people by mail? Is it possible?
Yes, Ye- yes, yes, you can send. to your family, to your friends, to any single person, your colleague. This is a Christmas card, right? You want to say Merry Christmas to as much people as possible. So we would show you how to do that at the end of this
Sure.
process. So there, it has come up. So what then you need to do is just to click on this Add Selected Workflow document, select Workflow. You would see your Christmas card. Look at it sitting pretty there. You click on it, and then it will show you your workflow. This is what we had done in the previous step. Remember that I tagged it as a friend. So this is what is showing over here. You just quickly click on that. You paste it. What do I mean by pasting it? It means saving it. You would have to save your step every single step of the way. It's not difficult. Once you're done with clicking, just click on copies of document and it will save. So now you would come over here to individual task. You will leave this at no order because you're not involving all these other processes, and then you would request for tags because you want them to do something. You want them to view, right, or you want them to edit as much as it lies within you. So we'll leave that on edit and add because you have a series of um, edit and add leaves you with a lot of options, a lot more range of options than the other options that you can see here. And then individual tasks, because you want them to view it one by one. It is not a community viewing, all right? It is not, you're not sending it to a whole land. You're sending it to your friends and your loved ones individually. So come over here and just click on any one of these boxes. It gives you room to be able to access the templates that you have made. So click on any one of them and then come over to this point. Now you have to pay more a bit more attention over here because this is like the last major step you're going to be doing here. Every other thing is easy peasy. So this is team, right? Team is when you have members in your team and then you have added them already and then you want to send it to them. So it's just as it sounds, team. When you say somebody's your teammate, it means that you're working together. So you can, if you have people or colleagues you're working together with, you can add them over here. Users, some other person who you're not working with, but from time to time you you get to show them your work or they get to edit your work or proofread your work. You can add them as users. And then public here is public is where you can access your this is where you will have the link for every um, person. So with one link here, after you're done with that, you can access any other person. That is, with that one link, you can send it to any person in the world you want to send it to. I go again. With one link, you can send it to any person in the world. Okay, so now after you're done with that, you come over here, you click on the link. I will play a video to show you how that is possible because this is a general page and we should have done that already. But when I'm done with this, I'll play a very short video so that you will see. And once you're done with that, you just come over here, you click one of the links, and then you click on display, you set display, and then you click on set this step to proceed to the next. You come over here and then you show process. You come over here and then you enter the name again. You click on Christmas card because that's what we're making. Now, this is the last step where you save and then you start process. This is the last step where you save and then you start process. Once that is done, a link will pop up. That link is what you would copy and send to every friend and family you have that you want to send the Christmas card to. How beautiful is that? So I will
So
play the
should I
short
send
video
to
for
you,
you when
Amina? So
I can
should
hear
I
you. What
send
did
to
you say?
you? Should I send to you, Amina, also?
Yes, you can send to me as a
So
friend. You
where are
can
the
send to me
sweets?
that you
Where
can
are the
send to every
sweets,
other
Amina?
person
I've
you would
had.
want to send. So what I'm going to be doing next is to play the video. Now, this video, we have a customer support page where you can access every video we have for you. The videos here, we give you a wide range of instructions and tutorials that you can follow through to help you understand more. So I'm going to be playing this Christmas card video because we had done it before. Remember, I said that to you. We had done it before, and then we want you to learn from that. So here, stay tuned, relax, get your popcorns or your drink, and watch this very short video as we play that for you to understand more what the process is about. And then you'll be able to see the beautiful Christmas card that we have made. So let's go. Okay, okay. I'm sure you saw the very short video that we had there. We're going to play it one more time. We're going to play it one more time, and then we'll move in to show you some other ways that this can be used. I'm going to play that video one more time from the beginning now because I'm sure some. Let's go. Okay. Okay, you can see like what I was talking about. When you have made your template, it brings out a link, and with that link, you can anybody in the world, anywhere at any time, can access your template, your Christmas card. So there are a lot more other videos there that you can see if you want to understand more of what I'm talking about. But that is how to use your workflow AI for creation of Christmas card. Um, we would go over that again. Very briefly, I'll take you through that again before we do the next thing. Remember that we said that Workflow AI is here to help you to have seamless digital documentations. Your editing, your printing, your typing, your signing, any single thing that after that we took you through the process of how it is done, creating a template, opening a template, making the template. We took you through some of the features of the template, how you can use it, and then document, and then workflow, which is the connector, and then process, which is like the engine room of how everything should work. And then we took you through the video, which showed you how you can get the link and then send it to your family and friends. So this is us telling you that you should do away with stressing yourself with your manual means of sending letters and Christmas cards to people when you can do it very digitally, very seamlessly, very easily, and it to be of help to you in different ways. So that's that about that. We would play one of these videos again. If you watch the video, I had a very exciting time watching the video. You saw when the person was telling her, we want to make cards for people, a lot of Christmas cards for people. How do I go about it? And then someone went on to explain that. Okay, so we will play this video one more time, and then my teammate is going to show you through another way of doing this. So consider this as taking a very short break, short, exciting break. Okay, so let's go right in to playing the video again.
So I hope Amina has showed us how the Christmas card is easy to be made and it is easy uh, to send it to the relatives. So it is
Yeah.
reducing the paperwork. That is what everybody right now wants, is to save the trees. So this is a good example or good app to work on with. So guys, if you have any question related to this, please ask in the chat section. We can answer your all the questions. Now this can be taken over by Mr. Shakil, who would be explaining if we have to make a question paper, or right now Thanksgiving festival has gone. How will you do it? How will you make it? Will it be easy for you? Could you please uh, let us know how will you do that part?
Hello everyone, welcome to London Business Show 2023. We are UX Living Lab team. I'm Shakil Ahmed. I'm working on UX Living Lab. So we are going to demonstrate how we can use one of our unique product. It's named Workflow AI. So it's very important for our business and administrative tasks and use, and also our personal use. How can we share our um, mm, any kind of templates, documents to another person in a digital way? So now, as Amina showed you, how can you share your business?
So I have one question from Shakila, that where are you actually from? Like, I'm from India. Amina is
Okay,
from
so
where?
I am from Bangladesh. So and I live in Dhaka city.
Oh,
So
that's nice.
as Amina have shared, how can you uh, sh- r- create a template for a Christmas card? I am going to show you that how I created my Thanksgiving template on Workflow AI and shared to my friends and colleagues and clients. So I'm going to share my screen and show you how I have done this so that you can understand and do uh, share your documents templates in the same way.
So I have one question for both of you when
Yeah,
you are
sure.
doing this live event. So I just wanted to know that when you are doing this product, are you enjoying it, or it is
Yes, of
looking
course. It's
it's
very comfortable to use, and uh, also for us, we are very much as I told you, we know all the parts very well, how it can be used for every segment and every components of this template. So we are enjoying to create templates, documents, and share these uh, templates, documents to our friends and colleagues.
So,
So
do
I'm
you send these templates and documents to Amina also to doing some R&D on that? Because Amina is very good on doing some Christmas cards. So, do you exchange any documents between yourselves to make it
Yes,
more
of course.
interesting?
We have done this several time, and we are we are doing this continuously. So we are doing it as we have
Yes.
more teammates and colleagues. We also share our templates, documents to
Yeah.
them also.
So, how many
And
times you're stuck? So that is the second question when the user comes and asks how many times you're stuck in that particular application. Do you
okay,
start
so
somewhere, or you get the help, or how do
so
you do it?
we have our developers in backend part. So they are continuously trying to fix
Yeah.
if there are any bugs
To
and
enhance
if
that?
it's stuck anywhere. Yes. So and we also work on it as a business developer and client support. So if any client is stuck any of the parts, or someone like they don't understand any use of any components of our template and document, then we are always there to help them continuously and all the time. And it's very the team is very supportive and helpful.
Yeah.
I'm telling
That's
you.
great. Yeah, that's great. And to work with you people, it's like a good that learning new things every day, because you
Yes.
get a new
And
challenge
first,
every.
yes.
So whenever you create an
Yes. And
invoice
then we
or
have, like he
something,
said, 24-hour customer support. So
so
yes, so we are here first of all to do every other thing and get stuck if we need to get stuck, so that you, the client, will not have to go through that. And we I can say that we have enjoyed every single step of the way. I mean, how wouldn't you enjoy something that is easy, seamless, and digital? So this
Yeah,
has been of great
that's,
help
I
to us.
love
So
it.
yes, Shekeo, please, you can carry on.
Because
Okay, so
our conversation will going on and it will not stop because two girls meet in a conversation they'll never end. So Shakil can start off with the demo, what
okay,
he's
sure.
trying, what is
So,
secret
as
in his
Amina
store.
already shared, this is our UX Living Lab or website. You just need to type UX Living Lab .org to go on this website. So I'm trying here. So this is our website homepage, and you can check about us page to check what is our main goal for this company, and our solutions page to check all of our exciting with products here. And I will discuss about one of our very unique product, workflow AI, as you can see here. So you just need to click learn more to go on workflow AI page, and you can also click here to buy plans. Before you going to buy plans, I want to show you how you can work on workflow AI, and you can remove your stress to share your templates or create your templates in a digital way. So you just need to select learn more. It will redirect you to workflow AI page. So this is workflow AI page. You can learn more from here. What is workflow AI, what is workflow AI features, and you can check this YouTube video, how you can, why you can use workflow AI. So I'm going to play this video for a moment. Please check this one. So you can create a digital templates for quick use from here. You can share your templates very easily from here. And as you can see, you can automated work. You can use automated workflows, and you can do team chats and organization setting, request docs, and many more from here. And to use workflow AI or experience workflow AI, you just need to select experience button from here. So I'm selecting experience to show you how can you create a template on workflow AI and how can you process this. So here is the uh, page of workflow AI, and from here you can create template on workflow AI. So you just need to select this plus new icon, or you can select also from here new and then this template icon. So I'm going to show you from here plus new, and then you can see that five different options came here. So first one is template and then document. So I'm going to show you first how can you create a template here. So I'm selecting template, and it will come blank template page. So here is the blank template page. Here you can use this every components from your template on your template to use this on your personal administrative or any professional use. So to add any text on this template, before I show you, I want to show you that uh, here you can rename your template name. So you can rename by your template. So I'm going to write name for like Thanksgiving card. So now I'm going to show you how I just have created my Thanksgiving card. It's very easy. You just need to drag and drop these components from here to create it. So this is a text box I just have opened here. So I can move this text box any of the parts of this template, and and then I can type anything I want on this text box. So for here, if I want to write uh, the same I have written on my template, so I just write this and make it large. May Thanksgiving and the rest of the year remind us to be grateful for what we have. So I can move it at the middle of my template page, and I can make it large or smaller, whatever I want. So I just make it here, and from here I want to I can edit my text very easily. So here is, you can see that you can change the font style. So if I want to make it Comic Sans, so I just, as you can see, I just make it Comic Sans, and then I can make it bold or
Shakili, you have not shared the screen. You need to share the screen. You have not
okay.
shared it. Share the screen. That's what Amina was telling you.
Okay, just a moment, maybe it stop.
Okay, try it again and
Okay,
start
let me
again.
know if you can see my screen now.
Yeah, sure. Just 1 minute. Yeah, now it is
Yes, I think
shared.
it's okay.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
here is the homepage of uxlivinglab.org, and for to know about our goals and our models, you can check here about us page. You can learn about workflow AI and other softwares, and about UX Living Lab from here. So we have many exciting products on this page, our solutions, and now I will discuss about a very unique product, Workflow AI, uh, and show you how you can use Workflow AI in your daily use, your professional uses, your personal uses, and any administrative tasks. So you just need to click learn more to go on Workflow AI page. So here is the Workflow AI page, and I'm selecting here experience to check how I can use Workflow AI. So here is the page of Workflow AI, and you just need to select a plus new icon to create a new template, and then you can make it document workflow and then process it to share this template to uh, uh, any of the person you want to share this template. So first you need to select this template button. Okay, so here is the template page. I just have checked. I just have opened. So as you can see, it's blank, and here is a lot of components here you can use on this template and make it beautiful and professional. Before I start to create my template, I want to rename my template from here. So as I have done a few days ago, a Thanksgiving card and shared this card to my friends, colleagues, and clients. I want to show you how can I create this template and send this to that person. So I just want to rename this template Thanksgiving card, and then I have to start to create the template. So to use this all the components, you just need to select and drag and drop this on your template. You can also move it on any of your corner of this template, and you can write anything on this text box, and also you can make it large or smaller as whatever you want. So here is the text I want to write, and if I want, I can make it large and according to my use. So I can make it bold, italic, and use underline on this template text, whatever I want. And if you don't need, then you can just click here to make it however you want. So this way I have written here, and then I just want to change the font from here. So if I want to write here Comic Sans image. So as you can see, the style have changed very easily. And also I want to make it quite a little larger and set this at the middle part of my template. And if you want, you can also change the text color and background color as well from here very easily. So as you can see, I have changed my text color. And also you can import any images from your computer drive from here. Just you need to drag and drop the image box and click here to upload the images. So here I want to upload this image on my template, and as you can see, I just need to uh, resize the images according to my use and template. So here you can see I have added the image, and if I want, I can add another image here. So I want to add this one, and like this way I just want to finalize it very simple way to show you how can you also finalize this. So you can use it however you want. So I just try to create a simple template that I can show send any of the person I want. You can type his name and also your name on this template, and anything you want. So I'm just write here my name, and then I want to save this template and share. I'll show you how can you share, finalize and share this template to your friends and any other person. So you just need to click here to save, and it will be saved within 3 or 4 seconds. So as you can see, it saved successfully. Then I'm closing it, and then you need to select the second option, document, to make this template document. You can see the newest document you have created at the top of the list, and the previous templates on this list here. So I need to select that one I want to process. I just select the newest one, Thanksgiving later. So as you can see, it's loading. It will be open within a few seconds. And the document opens successfully. From here you can also edit the any part you want of this template, and you can rename this document from here also. So I have renamed this later, and I don't want to edit this anymore, and that's why I'm clicking here save. So as you can see, it's saved successfully now. So I have now documents of my Thanksgiving later successfully, and I just need to select a simple workflow to share the document to any of the person. So you can rename any name from the workflow part. So I want to add the same name, the template and document, and here you can see the step name and role. So step name is how many steps you want to add on this template. Like if you want to use this in a administrative task, and you have 3 or 4 different teammates, and you want to share this template with 3 persons, and want that uh, a single person can do an individual job on this specific template, then you can add different steps and roles that which person can edit or use or collect which kind of parts of the template or data. So I just want to show you a single step template, and that's why I have added step name 1. You can add any kind of name or any kind of person or any of your colleagues name here. And role should be um, I just want to type brother here. You can add your brother's name or any of your colleagues name, and you just need to select the plus icon to save the step. You can add more steps as you want, and then you just need to click the save button to save this workflow. So as you can see, I have saved the workflow, and it will be saved within a few moments. Okay, so it saved successfully, as you can see here, Thanksgiving card on my workflow list. And then I just want to process this template and show you how you can do this very easily. So here you can see the earliest template document here on your process list. You can swipe and select any of your documents from here. You just need to click here to select this document, and then add selected document couples copies to process. So I just select here, and then the next part is you need to select the workflow. I just have create workflow. I have showed you at the third option, and then I've selected Thanksgiving card from here, and then you need to select add selected workflows to document. And then the second step is done, and then third step is connect selected workflows to the selected document. So this part is suggesting me to connect the workflow to the document. I have created the document and the template and workflow as I have showed you, and then to select the workflow. So I'm selecting the workflow, and then here you need to select the Word document again, and this assigned task should be member order should be same. Task type should be assigned task or request type task. Both you can add this. Uh, so I am leaving it assigned task. Is it okay for me? And then activity type should be individual task, as I have just want to share create this for me and share with a single person. That's why it should be individual task. And then and select assign task from here, and you can see table of contents here, the parts the components I have used on my template. So I just want to select T1 from here. T1 is text box 1, and I1 is image 1, and I2 is image 2. So after finalizing this part, you select paste document maps, and then here you can see three different options: team, users, and public. So you can share this template or document to your teammates from here by selecting team and then team member, and selecting the team members from here. You can also select users and then select username to share your template to the users of workflow AI. And also you can select publics and then select any public links from here to share your templates from here very easily. So as I you can show that on this profile we don't have a public ID. You need to create public ID before you process a template from here, as I have completed Thanksgiving later here on my personal account, as I'm showing you the same way on this part. So just give me a moment. So it will redirect me to the page. So you can see now the home page of workflow AI now. So here is the page, and I'm going workflow AI homepage. So this was the backend part where we are working as a staff and creating our templates. So now this is the same page workflow AI, and I want to show you how I have processed my Thanksgiving later. So as you can see, here's the Thanksgiving later, and I'm going to show you how you can process from the starting part again. So I have selected Thanksgiving document from here and added the Thanksgiving later on content map, and then here's the Thanksgiving later, and then I need to select the Thanksgiving later workflows and Thanksgiving later from here. Task type should be request type and it should be individual task as I have showed you before, and I have only one components on my table of contents, that's why it's showing just one image one. If I had added more of the components, then it will show another parts here. Then you just need to select page document maps, and I have showed you before that you can share this to any of your colleagues, friends, and family members. You just need to select public and then select public links from here. So you can select more public links from here as you want, but I just want to share, show you how I can use one public links. And then display should be same. Location, you can use any location, and also you can select individual location from here, select location. So I just want to add any location, and you can lift them, or you can add any time limits or reminder here. So I don't want to add any time or reminder, I just want to show you simple way. So I have selected set the step and proceed to the next, and then it should be same. Check errors before processing. So I want to check if there are any error on this process. So as you can see that there are no errors in my templates or process part, and it completed successfully 100%. And at the step 5, it's asking me to write a name. So you can write any name if you want, according to your template or document. So I just add Thanksgiving later here, and the last option, process documents. So here you can see many options to process the documents, but you can use this one, start documents, document processing workflow wise. So the workflow wise is the workflow you have created at the third step. So if I want to share my document to three different persons, that first person will be done the any specific part of the template, and then another person will done the next part of the template. Then it will be helpful to start the document processing in workflow wise. So I am saving and starting the process. Okay, so as you can see, there is an error here. So it's asking me, please make sure you selected rights for each step. So here it should be assigned task, uh, and then I'm checking again if there are any issues. So I've selected this, and so I have saved this content map, and then Thanksgiving later, and then it should be Thanksgiving later here, and I'm selecting the document from here, and it should be request task, and it should be individual task, and then I'm selecting assign task. I've selected I1. You can select here also, but it's not necessary. And selecting here, paste document maps, and then public, select members, and then this one, a public link. So you can select any of the public links you have. Display should be set display, and location should be any location. And I don't need to set this part. And okay, I don't understand why it's showing. Okay, so I just want to show you how can I create a new template, and so I'm going to create a new template in a very easy way and show you how we can process the new template. So I have renamed the template from here, and then I'm dragging text from here, So I just added a text and making this large as I have done before. So you can also design your text from here as I'm doing. So it's very simple, and then you can add any images from here also. So I just want to put this image here, and you can see many different components on this template part. You can use tables on your template, as if you are doing any administrative task, the table is very necessary on this part. And you can add your signature also. If I show you here a signature box, uh, if I add a digital signature on my template, and you can use the calendar if you want. You can add a date or month here. So you just need to select the calendar, and then you can put any date on your template. As you can see, I have selected uh, today's date here. So no, it didn't work, so I'm trying again. So you just need to select there. You can see that I just added today's date. And you can also use any many, there are many much more exciting components here, drop down and the buttons, scales. And you can also use your cameras to save a photo here in a very easy way. So here is my simple template I want to save and process. So I have written the name Thanksgiving again and saving this. So as you can see, the template is saved successfully. And the next part is document. So I am creating a document for this template. So here is the template I just have created, Thanksgiving. And then you just need to select go to editor, and it will open the template for this, the document for this template. So you can rename the document in your own way. And as you can see at this part, uh, on the signature part, and then you can add your signature if you want, or you can uh, lift the signature to be made by the person you want to share this template. So you can just write this away to add your signature in a digital way, as I have done with like this way. You just need to select to add your signature on this signature box. And also you can make it large to show your signature. uh, so I have done this successfully. I have added my signature and added today's date to make it more professional. And I am saving this now, as I don't want to edit anything else on my document. So as you can see, the document is complete. And then you just need to select workflow to create a workflow. And you can write any name on your workflow. And so I just want to share this Thanksgiving to my teacher to send the Thanksgiving letter. So you just need to select the plus icon to add this on your workflow list, and you just need to click on the save button to save it. You can also add two or three and more workflows in your document. So you can see the workflow have saved successfully. And then the last part of the process is the process part. So the first one, you just need to select the document you have just created here, and then add selected document copies to process. And when it will be done successfully, let me cross check again. And then select workflow and Thanksgiving. You need to select the workflow you have created, and then you need to select here and select the workflow again from here. And then the part will be ask you to select the document and assign task. So assign task should be for the member you want to share the template.
Shakil, you have not pasted. Did not paste the documents.
Okay, here is the one. And you need to select here. And as you can see, it saved successfully. So the next part is assign task, as I have told you. So you can select request for task or assign task from here, and right should be add or edit, view, comment, or approve, as whatever you want to do with the person you want to share the template. And in activity type, here are two type of activity here: team task and individual task. So team task is for if you want to work in a team, and you have your colleagues to do work on the same template in different parts, then you can use the team task. But for now, I just want to share my template to my teacher. That's why I'm clicking here the individual task, and then you select assign task as it saved successfully. And table of content is for the components I have or the contents I have used on my template. So as you can see here, T1 is text box 1, I1 is image 1, and D1 is a date 1, and S1 is signature 1. So I just want to select an T1 that he can use, he can see or add or edit, as I have saved him the rights. He can add or edit the text box from here. And then you need to select paste document maps. So now you can see three different parts: team, users, and publics. So team is for if you have teammates. If you have your teammates are working in the same template, then you can use select team members from here, and share the template to your team members. Users is for you can select users and share this template to workflow AI users. And public is the most exciting part. You can use select publics and share this template any of the person. It's not necessary they have accounts on workflow AI or they are using workflow AI. You can just generate a public link and share them to the link. They can just open the template with this link. So I've selected one public links. You, if you want, you can select a lot of public links and share many persons from here. I have selected a single one, and then you just need to select set display. Location should be you can use any location or select an individual location from here. So I'm selecting any location, and then the last part of this option is set that step and proceed to the next. And the next part is check any errors before the processing. So I have selected here. As you can see, it loaded successfully. And then the option 5 is process name. So you can use any of the name if you want. I am adding the name Thanksgiving in a simple way. And now the last option is process document. So it is asking to process the document I have created. So there's a lot of options here. You can just use start document processing in a workflow wise. So workflow wise will help you if you have a lot of tasks or workflows in your template. Then it will help you to process the document in workflow wise. So now I'm clicking here save and start process, and it will start the processing in 1 or 2 seconds maximum. As you can see, it start loading successfully, and it will be done within 3 or 4 seconds maximum. As you can see, it's done successfully now, and it generated me a master link and a QR code for master link. You can generate the link with this QR code also, and then a public link here, this one. So number 2 is also the master link, this one. So you just can copy the master link from here in a simple way, as I'm doing. Just need to select the copy button, and then you can send this link to any of the person you want, your friends, colleagues. It can be a, if it can be a question paper and a teacher want to share this to their students, his students, then he can just copy this question paper or answer sheet. And then if I want to share this in my Gmail account or by mail, then I can just click compose and paste this document here, link here. Then if I want, I can add uh, my students mail account and the subject as teach question paper or answer sheet, or if I want to share any my uh, Thanksgiving template to my teacher, I can do the same way. I can add this add the template title as Happy Thanksgiving, and I can add my teacher's mail here, and I can write anything if I want, and just can paste the link here so that he can see that Thanksgiving later here. So I want to if I want, I can share any of the person I want. If I want to share one of my friends here, so I just select his mail account and add Happy Thanksgiving and add this template link, master link here, and just I'm clicking send. Now it sends successfully to her. And if when she will open this master link, as I am showing you, here's the link of this master link, and when she will open, he can see the link, the template of the master link. It will take a few seconds to open. As you can see, it opened successfully here. So like this way he can add a check or open this Thanksgiving later. And uh, as I have showed you at the process part, that I have given her the right to edit this T1 text box one. So if she want, he can she can edit this text box one, and then she can click here finalize or reject button. There's two different options available here. So I'm selecting here finalize to finalize the template from here. So as you can see, it saved successfully, and now another pop-up comes here, and it will show that finalize successfully. So this is the completed uh, tutorial or guidelines how you can process a template, share a template to your friends, family members, or any of your colleagues, or if any teacher want to share this template to their students. Like if I am a teacher and I have to send a question paper to all of my students, or I have a notice as I'm doing an administrative task, and I need to share this notice all of my teammates, colleagues, or students, or all of the members of my company. So then I can just write on Workflow AI, as I have done. This way, you can add box tables and signature of your own in a digital way. You can use write a drop down, and also there's a scale. You can add this scale, and you can ask their uh, if they have anything to say about any of your uh, works, or any of your if they want to add any of the comments, then you can create your template on this way and share this template to your team members, colleagues, and teachers, where or whatever you want. And then you can share it on Gmail, on any social media, and also in every digital way you want. So it's very easy, and as I have showed you, it's very comfortable to use, and it's a quicker process. And also uh, it's ensuring your data security, that uh, the person you want to send the template or document, only he or she, that person can get the access of the template. Or most interestingly, if you want that any individual person want just can get access in a single part of the template or the document, you can do this very easily. That the person you want to share the template, he can get the access of um, a single part of the template. As I just have showed you that I have sent this T1 text boxes access to that my friend. So whenever she will open the template, she can get the access of this text box one, not these parts of dates. She can change the date, she can do anything with this signature and with this image also. So she just can remove this part also she want, and also add her comments or anything she want, and then she can finalize this template as I have showed you before. So that's the use of workflow AI, and I think you have enjoyed this live, and you have understand how can you use workflow AI. And to use yourself workflow AI, you just need to go uxlivinglab.org, this website, and then select our solutions, and you can get the access of all of our exciting products here. To learn more about workflow AI, you just need to select here on this first product, workflow AI, learn more. So here's
So,
the workflow page. As I have
so
you select experience, as I have showed you before, and Amina and Jaya ma'am have showed you also. So that's all from my side. Now, Madam Jaya will demonstrate about the use. Thank you.
so, hi Amina. So I have a question for you both. Like in a company, we are working and we have employees. So uh, they can try to make invoices for the purchase what they have done, some purchase of the things for the office or something like that, in education as well. So I'm talking in a vice versa. Can we do it in a, can we generate that invoice, can we send it to the approval, so that is possible into your application or not?
Yes, it's definitely possible. If you want to create a document invoice on Workflow AI, as I have showed you that there's an option table, so you can drag and drop this table part on your template. As you know, invoice is difficult to create within a table. That I want to add the number of the purchase list and the name, the price, if there are any commissions. Then by using this table part, you can create this invoice very easily. And if you want to, you can want to share this template, invoice template to your accounts, as you told me that for confirmation that you can finalize the template, invoice template, as I did very easily. And on the workflow part, you can write the name of your account sections person, or just simply step one and the accounts, the, or if you want to send it to your HR also, then you can add another workflow after accounts
So you
HR.
are saying in a workflow we have to put a three steps. Like first step is the who's making the invoice. Second would be um, the accountant. Third would be the HR. That's what
Yes,
you are saying.
if it's necessary to share many person, that you can do it very easily. But
Okay.
if you want to just send your account, so you can also do it. Just you can add how many workflows you want. If you want that 3% want to wants you want their signature or their permission to finalize your invoice, then you can share this invoice to three different persons or three different members of your office. But if it's necessary that just accounts submission you need, then you can do it, send it only the account person. So it's completely depends on your personal use or your administrative use, how you want to do it. uh, so that's it. You can just send complete this template and send it to your accounts, as I have done. You can send it the generate the master link and send it to your accounts, then he or she can finalize this. And as you can you I have showed you that he can finalize and confirm this invoice.
Okay. So, if there is a scenario where I'm a person, I'm not working, I'm just a simple person who's working online work and all those stuff. So, I have, I'm just looking out some recipe and I jot it down in the paper. So, when I want to be in a digital, so can I put that in a digital and can I see that template again in your application?
Yes, of course. You can save. You can check all the saved templates, all the saved documents, workflows, and process, or whatever you have done. You can check it very easily. We have option to check the save template. If you want, I can show you. So you can check the save template, and also you can check the draft template on Workflow AI. So whatever you are doing on Workflow AI, you are saving or not saving, you can check both of the templates. So you just need to save or write anything on your template. So whenever you open a template, it will be added on the draft box. So whatever I'm doing, if I forgot to save it, I just write something and then I just forgot to save it, or accidentally I shut it down my system and didn't get the access. Then you can very easily got the template or the document on the draft box of Workflow AI. And if you are saving this, you can got again on save templates part. So it's very simple.
Yeah.
There is a
Yes.
no chance to lost your templates on Workflow AI. So
Hmm.
it's the most important part. The data security and data saving system is very strong in Workflow AI.
Okay. So I think Amina, you want to add something on that particular things
Yes.
you have your.
Yes, I wanted to add that it is, like we said, it is an automated process. And what that means is that everything you save around is going to be kept there for you, just for you, anytime, any day. As long as you have access to your account, as long as you can reach out to your account, you can reach out, you can access any of the documents that you have made before time. So yes, like you said, drafted documents, saved documents, made for you. Why it is called drafted documents is because you may have not finished. You just put something up and then you want to go back and continue your work. You can do that. Even if you want to edit and add to the document you have already saved, you can still do that. So yes, you can access your document anytime, any day.
Oh, so that's nice to hear about the product. So I can, do I get the product? Do I get something credits to navigate, or it is like I have to create an account and then I can navigate the product? It's something like that. I can find out the way for it.
Yes, so we did this demo so that you would understand that any person anywhere, even though you don't have an account, you can test our product, know how it works, know if it is important for you. And then when you do that, you can now decide to get a plan. That is, I want to start using this product in my company, my organization, my institution. We have a button for that. You would see the button is very easy to access. You click on it and it will take you to a page where you'll be able to assess how to get credits. What are credits? Credits are what you use um, in Workflow AI as you spend them as you work in Workflow AI. So the more you work in Workflow AI, the more you use credits. And so when your credits are done, you get more credits. But then we trust that the one that you have will be able to help you to a certain extent before you get more. So then you would now be able to assess the page, get an account. Of course, you need to have an account, log in, and all that. So yes, you'll be able to access our products there through the credits.
Okay. So I think your background voice is much more higher than you.
Oh, okay. I
So
have this little thing in my ear.
okay, so you can't hear it, but we hear the background voice over there.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
So So what other I earlier seen there is a component where we are showing as an experience. We can use all those components as well, like Samantha Content Evaluator. So this is one of the components where when you're in an organization or whether you are an educational institution, when you're talking about, so many a times nowadays you get the online help when the student has to give some answers to the teacher, they can copy and paste and do it. So this is a component where you can um, see about it, and you can check the result whether it is done by the human or it is done by the online content. So this is how the component works around. So these are the few features which we have in our organization, which is really I think we should try to navigate. We always try it. Like there is a component where legal compliances are there, social media is there, where we do have one of the product which is known as a social media automation, where you can select your topics, you can add more topics over there and try to automate that topic and rank those topics and get into the another page where you can post that um, article where you want to post it in LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. So that is the one thing you are getting in a one platform to get through it. So whether it is any component, it's easy to use, easy to buy, and if you have any question related to the payment or something, that can be solved. But if you want a one-on-one discussions on it, you can have to go through the website, you have to go through the, you need to post questions for it, and we can arrange for it. So that is what we are talking about, the products, the components, and why we are talking about uxlivinglab.org, because that is a one platform for solutions. So when you are going to buy products digitally, so it is like you are going for every product in one platform. You know, need not to go to the different platforms to get it. I hope Amina would agree with that, because when we buy the product, we want that in the same content, same platform, so it makes it easier. I suppose that is the main content, because I'm a very online person, so I always try to buy the things. So whether it's an application, whether it is an anything, so I'll try to buy it in a one platform, which makes it an easier. So we do have the easy um, interface to go through it, to navigate the products, to navigate things, and you can easily access those components. So Amina, can you just show me a little bit of a legal compliance compatibility over there, where you can just show how the results work on it? You can show that part as well. Can you share that
Okay,
screen?
it is it
In,
is a phone app. It is
uh,
it is an Android app. We also have for iOS. Um, but let me just go over to our solution so that I will show you what it looks like.
yeah, uxlivinglab.org, then you can go to the experience, then you'll see the license compatibility.
Okay, can you see my screen?
I can't see the screen. Just 1 minute. Okay. Okay, now we can see it.
Okay, so over here, just below
Uh,
Workflow AI, this was what
no,
we
no, no,
talked
no.
about before. Video,
Yeah, but we are talking about our experience, where you can go experience us and the topper header, our
yes,
solution shop and experience.
yes. So when we open that, we are on our system now, and but this is an app for your phone. So it can work more on
Your
your
voice
phone.
is
So you
lagging.
get it on Google Play or you get it on App Store. download it on Apple Play Store. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you,
Can you hear me
but
now?
you are, yes. So, Amina, you have to go for the Experience Us tab. You have gone for the Our Solution. It is Experience Us. Uxlivinglab.org experience.
Okay.
Yes. So there you can see the license compatibility, open license compatibility. See over here. Is it not working for you?
It's loading. It's coming up. But
Okay,
like she was saying, this
so
is the experience tab. You can search here, and this is the Samantha.
you need to show
Okay,
the
this is
open
Samantha
license
Content
compatibility.
Evaluator.
Yes, that's what I was talking about. Then the
Okay,
open license compatibility.
so just give a few minutes for it to, a few seconds. It may not be able to.
This is something, it's an issue. Just wait, I'll share the screen. So, can you able to see my screen?
Still loading, ma'am.
Yes,
Is it showing? Okay.
I can see
So,
yours.
so this is open source where if it is a company or whether it is education institution or any institution, you can select and get the license compatibility over here. In a one platform, you get this. So we do have a hell lot of things. So I'll just put a random things to do it. So now everybody wants the product should be a little bit easy to handle. That's everybody wants it. Nobody wants nowadays very complicated products. So here, see the compatibility results which you can get, and this can be done in this particular platform. So you need not to go anywhere else to check the compatibility for the same. It can be done from over here. That's what I'm talking about. We do have a lot of components, search and living labs, Samantha content evaluator, open license, Samantha campaign, website crawl, location specific search, price indicator. You can do this price indicator as well. I'll just take a look in this. So when we are doing for Australian dollar, you can input. I'm just putting 20. So it is Australia. Target country would be Australia. Target currency is also Australian dollar. So you can calculate that. Even this can be done in this particular format. So you can see the exchange rate, you can see the price, you can get all the information in this one platform and this one pager. In this one, experience us. You do you don't have to go anywhere else, which is uh, I think it is the most easiest way to go through it. And I would think uh, everybody will be with me that everybody nowadays after the COVID we are all online. So that is, I think, I mean, I would agree that Shakil would be doing from different countries. So we are now not having those, I think, hard cash with us. We always take a wallet or we always have an online things to get through the payment. So that is what we are all talking about. So this is a digital platform where you can buy the products without any issues, without doing any, it is a hassle free and you can go around buy it. So anything else, Amina, do you have in your store or you do you want to make it explore to us in this particular session? You can move through it because we do have another 15 minutes to go.
Okay, she has shown you the compatibility license tracker, and then we're talking about Samantha Evaluator. We're talking about Samantha compatibility evaluator. So each each of these products are made to give you different experiences. So as much as you would want to, when you experience them, you understand what I'm saying. So let me share my screen now and show you just a bit of Samantha content evaluator.
So, how is it interesting according to Amina? Because she is into this. So, how is it interesting? Can you just
Yes,
explain to us so that it will be easy
yes.
for us to understand?
Okay. So you use Samantha Content Evaluator to evaluate your content. It is as easy as it sounds. When you want to evaluate, is there plagiarism in my work? Is my work written by me? Is it creative enough? So for those who are in academic field or the academic institution, you get to write papers every now and then. And these things are checked. You want to save yourself a work that is plagiarized. And we know that that has legal implications. So Samantha does a lot of checking for you. You can check a work. You can help to see if the work is. Um, Let me open the product here. Let me just go over to show you quickly. You can check if it is likely written by AI. So let me go to this introduction. Now this was a work by someone, and I want to check what is the percentage of plagiarism in this work. Let me. So we'll just copy a part for any work you want to do. You copy a part of the work, and all you need to just do is to paste it in Samantha Content Evaluator. So let's just do that. She actually sent it to me for. Okay, so this person sent this work to me for evaluation. What I did actually, all I did was just copy it and I pasted it on Samantha Content Evaluator. So let's do that quickly. Just copy and go to Samantha Content Evaluator. We paste. And let's say physicians. Let's start with physician. I'm sure you can see my screen. So when you're done with that, you can input your email. This is so that they will be able to. Um, you will also get the opportunity of your results being emailed to you. So once you do that, you come here and click on check. Now it will show you the evaluation that it has done for you. So it will quickly show you that. Just give it some seconds. It is as easy as the name sounds. She evaluates content. So let's just it doesn't take this much of time. I think it's my location. So when the result comes out, it shows you if it is generated by AI or humans. It measures the level of confidence of the content. It will detect plagiarism in 100%, in a range of 100%. So it could tell you this is plagiarized by 60%, by 30%, by 100%, right? And then if it doesn't have any form of plagiarism at all, it will tell you that it has 0% plagiarism. And it also try to tell you that that is creativity, the work is creative. And so it will give you character counts. Okay, this is it. This is it over here. This is your evaluation. Yeah, the content is written by humans. It is plagiarized by 0.00%, and then it is 100% creative. So that is that about Samantha. She does the evaluation for you, keeps you from legal consequences when your work is plagiarized. So you need to try this out, see how it works. You can try it out by yourself with this type of experience, or so that you would understand what we're talking about a bit more. And that would be beneficial to you. So yes, there, that's it.
I think you are using these tabs, I suppose, these components to work on with, to understand how much is written by a human or somebody else, right?
Yes, yes. It will
So,
show you all of that, save you the stress, tell you how creative you are.
what in the session, what we understood about that, how we can create easily the template, the document, the workflow, and the process. I hope I don't see any disconnections over there. So we would like to wait for the questions if you have any with the product related or something, or uh, we can discuss about one of the more components which I was uh, thinking it was a good to go. Um, just a second. So I wanted to show you something interesting where wherever which country you are in, um, you can find out the locations, um, which would be easy for you when you are online. So can you able to see my screen?
Yes,
So
slowly.
if okay, still
Yes, ma'am.
um, start the screen.
Yes, I can see now. I can see your screen now.
No, I'm not shared it yet. Okay. Now I suppose you can see the screen of mine. So I have taken a country as Australia. It is fetching the locations. You can go by location specific search. I'll show you how to go by it is. So you can go to this tab and you can go for location specific search. So uh, there are certain locations. I'm just taking one or two locations over here. So I can search for schools. I can put a number of results as 5 and we can search for it. So we got like this way that there's school in these two regions and we get this result. You can even download these results and get it to the page and you can save it for yourself. So this is how what we do with UX Living Lab products, which is really easy to use. So that is what it's all about. Shakil, you want to add something? Just let me know. And
Okay, so I just want to tell you that about workflow AI. So the team of our developers team are continuously working on the components of workflow AI and trying to make them more. Uh,
more enhancing about it, and the product
yeah,
is really good to go.
yes. How can they make it
Enhance more and
better user
user
experience?
experience.
And yes, so
I
that is
think that
for from
application. So that is the application which is looking good to go. And we do had Amina. I think she disconnected because of some network issue. So I hope there is nothing to add or something. We have already, before winding up the session, I have already given all the comments in the chats section where you can go through the website, the QR code to pay online, and all those stuff. And if you want any questions, you can drop a message over here so that we can get connected with you and we'll try to make it understand how to do it, all the things. If you want any help or guidance, how to navigate the website or a platform or something, we are always happy to help. And we always feel the customers are the real persons who make the product more and more natural, more and more good, because the more product is used by the users, it becomes good. So for me, we are using the product. It is good to go. It is easy to navigate. It's easy to access. And if you want to go through the products, you can go through uxlivinglab.org, go to the solution tab, and you can access any product which you want. So that is all from my side from this event. Thank you so much. Thank you so much joining Shakil for this event and Amina. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Same to you.